We'll see. Where's the tofu? It's on my desk. This is the moontower V1 chat. In this area, there is 21 networks on Rogers. They said out of all 21, with the exception of one just being completely turned off right now, 20 don't work, period. Like they're facing spec issues, they said. If you can't stream, it's a US issue. It's an us issue? Oh no, like it could be a US issue. Shiny bottom? This has been in storage and it's been wrapped up, but I guess I scratched it up a little bit in some spots, like over here. I don't know what happened, but I'm just gonna patina this. I don't really like the shiny weight on this, to be honest. There's a lot of fingerprints and dust on it right now, but it's like a little scratch here. I don't know what happened. It was wrapped up in a microfiber cloth, but I'm gonna patina this. I actually think it would look way better patinaed. Are we using the sparkly blue switch? Yeah, I'm actually gonna be using, again, I don't know how well the internet's working right now, so I don't know how much of this you can actually see, but these are Designer Studios. I think they're the Starry night switches. There's a bit of like sparkle in here. Kind of see it. Kinda. But yeah, there's like a little bit of a sparkle. Day going well? Laminar, it's going okay today. It's been stressful because like I'm trying to get work done today and the internet keeps going down. So it's been kind of stressful. That's a weird mounted tofu. Let's just leave it at that. It is a tofu, chat. This is indeed a tofu. All right, should be a-okay, guys. Okay. Why you need to test your PCBs? I didn't think I needed to because this was in my good pile. Where'd you get this moon tower from? This was part of the original group buy. So I got this a while ago. Also, these switches are hella cute. I think this will go nice with the purple case. Don't you guys think? Moon tower giveaway pog? Listen, if you guys want to know the honest truth, maybe during the summer, near my birthday, perhaps, uncertain, no promises, I don't know for sure, this particular moon tower that we're building today, during the summer of my birthday, I am not sure again, we might do a giveaway for this. Unsure, I'm not positive, no promises. So, like I told you guys, and I think I leaked this once ever before. That's why I also wanted to rebuild this. But, yeah, I figured why not. Wait, when's your birthday? No one's allowed to know. Don't kill the meme. I want a new meme. I think a new meme needs to be born, dude. I think a new meme needs to be birthed, chat. Wait, wasn't I the one that started the meme? I don't remember who started. It might have been you, Bashendi. Just so everyone's aware, too. I want everyone to take this in for one moment. Now, mind you, this has been desoldered like 3 times, but 2 things. First of all, this is when I used to use Permatex dielectric grease. Do you guys see the stains on the PCB? This is why I no longer use Permatex. Second of all, take a look at the soldering then. So this is about 2 years ago versus now. Look at the soldering difference. Even just how clean everything is, just all that. So big difference between 2 years. Pretty big difference. Which O-ring should I use? I feel like this one here is like a lot bigger. Let's try this O-ring. Oh, this is for a 65. That's probably why. I'll probably still use it though. Can most likely still use it. Dude, I have to admit, that looks really nice. I love the way this looks. Did you guys see the sussiness on the plate? Hey chat, did you any keen eyes see the sussiness? That looks really good, dude. I don't know why, I just like the PCB like this. All right, moon tower time. It is moon tower time, chat. This is a really, really nice purple, chat. Like extremely nice purple. Look how beautiful this is. This is probably my favorite color polycarbonate. It's Morb Tower time. Yo, chat, What if I talk to Chandler and we make a moontower Morbin edition?
It's Morbin time.
The Morb Tower. How do you guys feel about the Morb Tower? How do you guys feel about the Morb Tower, chat? Instant purchase? What keycaps do I want for this today? Is it Mighty Morbin time? I want to be a Mighty Morbin Power Ranger, dude. Frostwitch wins every time? Yeah, Frostwitch usually does win. Yo, this looks sweet. Yeah, the underglow on this one, very different. It doesn't really hit the front too hard, though. Turn the lights off. It's pretty cool. Like, it's not as bright as the other one. It's very inconsistent on the front. Very. It's not as bright. But the board is actually higher on the back. So you get like a more, a back-weighted RGB, which is kind of cool. It like fades off. But when you look at it from this point of view, like your normal typing point of view, it's actually pretty cool. But I kind of like it, dude. It looks good with and without the RGB. The fade is pretty nice. Yeah. Ooh. Is this going to slap? Wait, dude, I'm actually kind of excited for this. So those are those Starry Night switches. All I did was lube them. I did not film them or anything. We're using an FR4 plate. And then we're also using, actually that's it. We're not using anything else. Oh, we're using a not as dense O-ring as well. I don't know the original density of the one that it came with it. The spacebar is perfect. I actually love this spacebar. There is some visual differences between the two as well. So in case you guys were wondering, RGB is well better in the original Moon Tower, or for new Moon Tower. But as you guys can see, there is a few differences as well. There is a curve, like a nice little koala curve here on the bottom of this Moon Tower, which is kind of different. And this also just peaks up ever so slightly on the back, while this doesn't too. You can even see, like, seating wise, how much extra space is underneath this keyboard versus this keyboard too. So there is some differences between both the keyboards. Alpha's kind of quiet in comparison, a little bit. Back-wise, we really don't have that much of a difference over here. Again, you can see there's a bigger height in the original. But we still kind of have that exact same nice spacebar pop. Yeah, I like the second one too. The weights are different on the bottom as well, in case you guys were wondering. I like this one so much better. So much better, dude. Some of it, that's interesting. That's actually really interesting. I'm so happy with this right now. So happy, dude. This turned out so good. And just to show you guys the difference in like RGB, there's a huge difference. You can see like this one here is just so much, it's so different. It's so much more well dissipated in this one, the original, or the new one. I like these are Pinocchos. I like the upstroke on the Pinocchos more than these, but these have a really nice like bottom out to them. I have to admit. Pinocchos are very, very good though. They're kind of like alpacas, but I like these a lot, dude. But thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Peace out, everyone. And see you guys on Sunday. Enjoy your weekend, dude. I love you guys.